Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am Engineer Shamsur Rahman. In this short tutorial, I will show how to remove AutoCAD Autodesk stamp. Okay, so you have seen sometime you are getting problem when you are printing your AutoCAD file. Okay, so then you are getting AutoCAD stamp. I will show you. Let's go to print, control P. Okay, uh, go to preview. Okay, this thing you are getting when you are printing the AutoCAD file. Okay, so how to remove this? This is very simple easy way. Just type dxf out in command box. Save this file. Okay, now type dxf in. Okay, and then now it will take little bit time. Okay, after processing, you will just save the file. Okay, control S. Sorry, just change the name. Okay, now check. Now we will check the printing. Okay, control P, window. Now you can see this Autodesk plot stamp is removed. Okay, uh, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Assalamu alaikum.